Alright, y'all, well, the favorite part now is some exotic. I'm gonna show y'all some of these exotic cars. Oh shit, look at me. Hey, big ho. Hey, big ho. Never know big ho. Never go slow.
Ooh.
First of all, I'm not a rapper.
Oh, y'all better like, subscribe, or you gonna do what? Slap they damn kids, boy.
You're going to jail. Understand me?
Y'all gonna slap the fuck out you.
This why it took me so long to start the first video, because I gotta watch out for these folks right here. So look at my boy.
What makes you horny?
Oh God, what makes me horny?
Cool. I don't know how to answer. Attractive people touching me.
God. You gotta slow that down to meme here.
So I asked the guy with Daily Driven Exotics if I could join because I have an AMG. He told me my AMG was not AMG enough. He basically told me I'm poor.
My mama's so poor she waves around a popsicle and calls it air conditioning.
What up, YouTube? It is 8:24 in the morning. I meant to leave the house at 7:30, but that was too early and I was up all night. But we're headed to Town Center at Cobb to head to Caffeine and Octane. So hopefully it's a good turnout. It's always a good turnout at Caffeine and Octane. I'm gonna meet the guys there. They just got back from Alabama yesterday. Well, Brando did. Josh went to the drag thing at Atlanta Motor Speedway. So yeah, we headed to Caffeine and Octane. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video and appreciate y'all for watching. So I'll see y'all when we get there. What the fuck? I feel like he was supposed to get over. He waited to the last minute to get the fuck over. But yeah, so, well, we on the road. 18 bullets, bro. All right, so we made it. We finally here, and if y'all know anything, it's a long line, bro. We just waiting in line, like, and the traffic is literally not moving. So, and I'm telling how long I'm finna be in line. I'm gonna see if they let me park up front like last time. Last time they was like, you want to go in with Daily Driven Exotics? I was like, sure. So we gonna see if they do the same thing this time. I came in the AMG this time again, so hopefully I can get good parking this time. So let y'all know when we get closer to the front once we actually start moving. All right, so I did get the premium parking. Right now I'm waiting on Josh to get here so I can move this cone so he can park beside me and be right in front of the, literally right in the middle of all the action, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see that. But I'm waiting on Josh, so when Josh get here, I will pick you guys back up and we're gonna walk around and we're gonna get to it. So let's wait on Josh.
Alright, y'all, well, the favorite part now is some exotic. I'm gonna show y'all some of these exotic cars. Oh shit, look at me. Hey, big ho. Hey, big ho. Never know big ho. Never go slow.
Ooh.
Oh shit, you feel me? And we started off with the V8 bi-turbo. What is this? I don't know. I can't afford it. Okay. Ooh.
It's an AMG.
Is this the one Quan had?
He had the GT63S.
63S. And
Yeah.
that big come with water. You think we can grab that water?
Go ahead.
Look, it's two.
Watch
one
a
for me,
nigga
one
gonna
for
fall
you.
out the sky.
Hey! This shit is clean, bro. So, and you know you got that peanut butter interior.
Man, look at that steering wheel.
I'd say my favorite part though is gonna be the screen. How that shit, it's like, that's like a foot and a half all the way over. Like that peanut butter inside, outside jelly.
This man's
7 days of the
so
week.
detailed.
You feel me? Yeah, yeah.
I just be like, purple car,
no, you gotta
white car.
You gotta let them know. Now, you talk about this one. I don't know. Okay, I'm guessing this is an SRT Challenger Hellcat.
No, what Vontae be saying? It's a good old monkey mobile.
Oh, shit. He be hard. He going, like, I'm gonna get rid of my car. I'm not. You monkeys can have it. I'm like,
Bro.
damn.
Bruh, when he go to the Dodge dealership, Vontae be like, I'm at the monkey dealership.
Bro, that shit is rough.
Cause I be like, why is he saying all that?
I don't know why he said monkey. Hold this real quick. Hold this real quick. I know why. Cause they come out the car like this. Motherfucker, God damn.
What the fuck is going? What
So he got rid of his shit. What do he have now?
What the fuck is that?
To it. But ain't much to it.
Good old Chevy guy.
Man, I'm gonna wrap my car all white, call that bitch the Jesus.
No, no.
Competition for the demon.
Get the tag that say Christ.
Oh shit.
Boy, Christian's gonna be mad at you.
1 out of 10. What you ain't into?
Why you ain't vlogging? What happened was...
No, my first video, you coming to SRT reading and shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be my first video. That shit at Jax, right?
SRT Reek?
Yeah.
No, it's in Carrollton. Yeah, it's in Carrollton.
Yeah, it's here.
Carrollton?
Yeah.
Alright, that's gonna be my first video though.
Oh, okay.
Subscribe,
Man, that's like
got that shit coming to
13
y'all.
days from now.
Yep.
Oh, y'all better like, subscribe, or you gonna do what? Slap they damn kids, boy.
Must like the fuck out you.
This why it took me so long to start the first video, because I gotta watch out for these folks right here. But y'all look at my boy.
Oh, God. You gotta slow that down to meme him.
You stay me with
I'm telling you, gotta meme. Somebody black must have touched it.
That bottle of water he was talking about taking, somebody took that motherfucker. Somebody took that
One of the
motherfucker.
monkeys.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stay. You know, I'm gonna stay with the Michael Kors bag. You know, yeah. Certified scammer. Certified scammer, yeah.
The man followed me on Instagram.
Goddamn John. You going to the Pink Flamingo thing this week? Yeah, I'm going to that motherfucker. They ain't announced it yet, but when they announce it, ATL Jordan, y'all know ATL Jacob, but y'all don't know ATL Jordan. Yeah.
He made my beats, y'all.
Yo.
He made my beats, right? 10,000 on Instagram, I'll start a YouTube.
Okay, bet, yeah. Y'all make sure y'all follow that boy. We already know 525 John. We already, you know, everybody know this nigga. This nigga be everywhere through everything.
Say, man, free tree, man.
Free
On the
tree
way,
ski.
man. Free tree, man.
My mic ain't on. Where Josh go? Oh shit. How you see him?
I mean, to those people.
Some shit you can't say on YouTube, cuz.
I might be a little allowed to say it.
Yeah, true. Ooh, the mini Ferrari, okay. I see you. There's an MC, oh, the MC20, yeah. The Mozzie.
That was yours?
Oh, this is 765. I thought it was a 720. Oh, this the tippy top of the top, cuz.
This one with like what? You got like 760.
This is 765 LT. The only thing better than this one is the P1.
No, I'm talking about the horsepower.
Oh, shit, I don't know. That bitch got some power. Oh.
Hey, I mean, no.
What?
Oh, yeah, I was
All
already
these cars,
recording.
he trying to get some mad.
No R. Kelly. God damn, I got a lot.
Man.
Hey, when you want to afford that one, but you can only afford that one.
They
Facts.
got more money than me.
Facts. I can't even afford that one.
I want to put that one in the house and sit in between the Ferraris for a thumbnail, bruh.
Go ahead.
Nah.
You might get
If I
jumped.
find the owner, I ask.
You might get jumped for real.
Rich white man can't fight.
He not gonna tase the fuck out you.
And I'm gonna sue him. So please, I'm gonna sue the shit out of him.
He ain't gonna need it.
Spell Buc-ee's.
And it's gonna be-
Buc-ee's. I'll win that lawsuit, boy.
I ain't gonna lie, you might get demonetized that one.
Bro, y'all tripping on the first bid, bro. Like,
Soon that motherfucker walk in, hey, let's go to Buc-ee's. You mean Buc-ee's?
what day is it? February 30th.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Bro,
Oh my
that
God,
SF90 crazy.
Hey, you was making that talk, but this kid came by talking like that for real. So now.
Now what? It made the
Now-
joke better.
Oh my god. Alright, so this is
Stupid content, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, even when I think shit is nice. It look like a Corvette. It's not enough. Biggest thing, you want me to show you why? Look at the inlet, right? Carbon fiber on top. Look at the 90. Plastic on top, on the inlet.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a Dodge and a Chevy. Chevy gonna win.
Whoa, buddy.
I almost dropped my camera on the.
So I asked the guy with Daily Driven Exotics if I could join because I have an AMG. He told me my AMG was not AMG enough. He basically told me I'm poor. I got money, but I'm poor money.
Poor money.
Poor money.
Yeah, long money, not short money.
I'm middle class American, basically. That's what he told me. So okay. Which I'm cool with being poor.
He said, go to Chase Bank and holler at me when you get that loan.
Yeah, he really did say, you will see you later.
He said, we two different kind of monkeys.
Yeah, we two different.
He almost went with it. He almost went with it too. He said, you a chimp in this game, baby. We gorillas.
I do got a charger, so yeah, okay, I'm a monkey.
Yeah.
But yeah, he told me I was poor. So look at his shirt. Look at his shirt. Look at his shirt.
Spider-Man. Are they filming porn?
Yeah, we miss you.
Today's episode of OnlyFans.
Hey, you back fishing when you got a boom mic.
We already have like 2 other cars.
Hey, we need to start like a YouTube channel, and then we need to hire like a film crew, right? And do stuff like this. Yeah. You remember how Quan and them had 4-4, but they broke up? Let's do 4-4, but like not break up. Oh damn, we gotta put Brando. Okay, let's do 5-5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Later. Yeah. See you later. Bye.
I would be tight Jackson 5. I'm telling you.
Hey, you look my ass.
This is the Unobtainium. Okay, so I want to introduce you to the rest of the team. Where you are.
She killed the Facebook market right now.
Oh yeah. Her and Country Room.